Hi friends, this is Bijita. Uh, I just have started a new YouTube channel based on finance and accounting. My target is to make you able to understand different concepts of accounting and to open up a few dimensions that accounting has. So I would request all of you to watch the channel very carefully, and gradually I'll upload many videos like this. And this channel will cover the syllabus of 11 12 and become as well. So keep watching the channel, and gradually you will be able to understand different dimensions of accounts and different concepts of accounts. So I am MBA in finance. It's been 10 years. It's been almost 10 years. I have been working with finance and accounts area, and my technology is SAP. So I work on SAP technology based on finance module only. So I would request all of you to watch the channel. So here in this video, this is the first video of my channel. Here I'll before going to the concepts of accounts, I would like to share a few thoughts like what is the need of accounts, why we will use the accounts and finance in our organization. So gradually, once you will be understanding the need of finance, it will be easier for you to understand the significance of accounts and the overview of the same. So why do we need the finance and accounts in our organization? Say for an example, here I have shared an Excel file. I hope you all can see my screen. Here, say I have a business, and that business, say it is a manufacturing company. I have a business of a manufacturing company. uh, Say I do manufacture leather bags. So this is just an example. Now if we have the manufacturing company, if we have a manufacturing business, we would have to procure some raw material from a vendor. So we are basically purchasing raw materials from our vendor, and here the cost of raw materials involved. Once we are purchasing raw materials from vendor, we would have to uh, track the cost of raw materials here. Now once we have purchased the raw materials from vendor, we would have to start the production. So we will start the production process. Now once we are starting the production process here, uh, we will be having different costs involved. Like there may be different overheads. Like once we are producing our product, there would be some factory rent. If our factory space is not our own, and even if it is our own factory, then there must be an opportunity cost, and there must be some depreciation of the factory building, and all these things will be involved. So if it is a rented space, then there must be a rent involved. Then uh, all the machines that are being used to produce the products will be having the machine cost as well. uh, like if you are installing a new machine, then the cost of the new machine will be involved, or the machine needs maintenance as well. Hence the maintenance and repair cost are also being involved. And there, in order to operate those machines, we require labor as well, so labor cost will be involved as well. Next is the, in order to run the machine, we require power consumption, energy consumption, and there are many other processes. So each and every process must be having some energy and power consumptions. And the machines that those are being used to produce the product would be having some depreciation cost as well. So all these costs are related to the production cost. So once we are producing a product, these costs will be involved, these costs will be incurred. Now say production has got finished, now we have to sell the product. So we will be selling our product to our customers. Now uh, once till the time when it is till the time when it is not yet been sold, then till till that point of time we require some other overheads as well. We require the cost of some other overheads as well, like we will having the sales and administrative costs. In order to sell our product, we require sales and administrative costs. These are like promotion costs. We have to do the advertisement, we have to do the promotions activities, so their costs are also involved. So those costs are there as well. So the other costs are like the branding. We have to promote our brand, we have to promote our product, so those costs are also involved. So now you are able to understand that in order to produce a product there are many costs involved. So we have to keep a record of each and every costs incurred here, and that's the reason why we need accounts. That's the reason why we need accounts and finance. Because see, if we are now, you can tell each and every cost can be maintained in an Excel file. True, each and every cost can be maintained in an Excel file, that is for sure, but we have to maintain them in a good structure, in a good manner, in a good structure, and in a good manner. So that's the significance of accounts. Our accounting process is nothing but a scientific process. Scientifically, it stores, it records all the monetary transaction involved, and it segregates between them, it segregates them in different heads, and finally it gives you a summarized results. That is the reason why we require accounts and finance managed in our organization in order to calculate the accurate cost. Say here there are a lot of costs involved, we have to calculate each one of them, and we have to finally we have to calculate our profit as well. Once we are accurately calculating the total cost incurred in order to produce a product, then we will be able to understand how much profit percentage can be charged, because we have a point in our mind as well that this product needs to be sold to a customer at a affordable price. So in order to maintain a affordable price, we have to understand how much profit to be charged and at what price. So as we are having a mindset that this much would be our selling price, accordingly we will be having our budgets, and as per that we have to control our costs as well. So that is the need of accounts. That is the need of accounts, and that is the significance of accounts. So I hope this much is very clear to you. If it is not, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel, and please keep watching the channel. Thank you. Bye.